Ngenyanga eyedlule usihlalo wekhomishana ephenya ngezinsolo zokugwamandwa kwamandla ombuso uJustice Raymond Zondo wamemezela ukuthi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uzovela kulekhomishana njengomengameli we-ANC futhi njengomengameli wezwe mhla zingama-22 nangomhla zingama-23 kwephezulu. uZondo uthe uRamaphosa angeke asakwazi ukuvela kulezo zinsuku ngenxa yokuba matasam.
President of the ANC is not going to appear before the Commission on the 22nd and 23rd of April, but he will still appear on the 28th and 29th of April. Originally, on the 28th and 29th April, he was to appear in his capacity as President of the country. But that has changed. On those 2 days, he will appear as President of the ANC. As President of the country, he will now appear before the Commission on the 13th and 14th of May.
Kusenjalo, namhlanje kulekhomishana owethula ubufakazi usihlalo we-ANC kuzwelonke uGwede Mantashe. Mantashe uqale wafunda isitatimende sakhe echaza ukuthi i-ANC imqoka kanjani umengameli wayo.
Deposed to an affidavit in which I deal with the following issues: closed party list system of proportional representation, the goal of transformative constitutionalism, how ANC policy is formulated, the compilation of the party candidate list, how the ANC chooses the president and cabinet members.
Mantashe uthi khishwa komengameli beqembu ehhovisi nosekwenzeke kabili kwapha iphutha elikhulu. Estatimendeni sakhe kuvele ukuthi kunezitatimende azithola zabezindaba ubese ebuzwa ukuthi kungabe wazithola yini lezo zitatimende.
On page 6 of that document, all the way through to page 100.418. And all I want to ask you is that you can confirm that you've received those articles, you're aware of those articles.
Yes, I did say that.
All right.
Isicau siyaqhubeka.